सादा मनीस म्हणयला जे आज गोंयांत एक भिरांत येयलो आहा हे बीजेपीन and I'm coming to the units like housing, balance between education. What about the industry? All major industries, in fact, Cipla, Merck, Dr. Reddy's, all these factories. Siemens came when the Congress was there. It's all 20 years back. What about any new factory? Any new factories come in the state of Goa when the BJPs come? You try to finalize. If I try to visualize and find out, I can't see any. One of the major achievements was the closure of mining. Businesses got closed down. Everybody was unemployed. There was a big gap in the middle class people. Everybody, all this completely dwindled down. And what happened? The end result was people had to go to greener pastures in England, Europe. They had to go to other places. First the Catholics, and then our Hindu brethren also followed suit. Today the villages, the real Bhumiputras, either their houses are closed or they are in ruins. Or the new Bhumiputra that has been defined in the Bhumiputra Adhikari Act 2021, those people have taken over these houses. A large number of Goans populated to England, Switzerland, France, Germany for their daily bread. They had no other options. Don't think they gave their citizenship for the love of the other country. No. They gave it with great difficulty, with great remorse, the citizenship, because it was their survival. They knew what the government was going to have, what was going to happen, and the views of the government and what the government was planning for Goa. The Goans were sidelined by the BJP and their plan was to replenish the Goans by the Bhumiputras as defined in the Bhumiputra Act. It shows the master plan of what has happened. Incomes, jobs were the target. Some of them in North Goa they had to give up their properties. The hard-earned properties which the ancestors had kept for them, they had to sell it. Now what has happened to North Goa? It has become a mini BJP. How it has become a mini BJP, you will ask. It is very clear. Find out how many Vasundhara Rajes have land. How many Amit Shah's sons have land there. Find out how many Meenakshi Lekhi owns land there. Find out how many Zavadekars own land there. Find out which chief ministers of which states own land, which ministers from which state own land. Find out which Goa chief ministers, Goa ministers, Goa MLAs own land. Find out. In the registration offices, you can't find out. There is no smoke without fire. The BJP has been doing this right through. Their plan was right from the beginning, which I have previously said it also, and today it is endorsed. There is a foolproof plan in action and you can visibly see it. What about the tourism industry? The tourism industry, nothing but casinos, drugs, gambling, prostitution, all nefarious activities, making Goa a sin city state of Goa. I am fortunate and proud to announce, to tell you that Goan girls, because of their culture, because of the family upbringing, because of the Goinkar Pond, they have been saved. Otherwise, what would have been the state? Good to see now. Even the prostitutes that are there are going to be Bhumiputras. This is the state of affairs. What finally it has boiled down by the BJP to Goans and the Goa, what the ancestors of ours thought of. The evils of tourism, I don't want to spell it more. Everybody knows what is the spelling, what is the fallout of the industry, what has been done. If you go to see the 5 stars, few owners are left. Who is left? Mr. Avadut Timlo, Mr. Dattaraj Salgaonkar, Mr. Victor Albuquerque, few fellows are left. They are the few Goans that are there. Rest, Bhumiputras. The evil design of the plan of the BJP can be made out. And that to these 5-star hotels of Mr. Timla, Mr. Dattaraj and Victor has come during the Congress regime. Show me one hotel that has come of the Goans. What about the mid-cap hotels? The mid-cap hotels, what has happened? They are in shambles. Who are employed there and who are the owners and who are running these mid-cap hotels? Only Bhumiputras. Nobody is running it. No Goans, son of the soil, don't have any bearing nor employment nor own the hotels if you go to see. And finally what they have done is They have brought the Bollywood culture. The outsiders come, have rave parties, and they go. Destroy the state with their mastis, and the very fact of this can be made out by one pandemic. What has happened during one pandemic, even our small fisher folks, our small people, our small vendors, our small bari kamya log, the small people can't sell their goods. This is the state of affairs. Even they are replaced by Bhumi Putras. What about the health infrastructure? It has been devastated totally. Nothing. There is a total neglect. Health centers, doctors have been disappearing, have been going abroad. GMCs, hospitals, nurses. See the state of affairs. The health infrastructure, I don't want to talk much about it. It is exposed by the fact that they have a credit and feather of their cap. But the 15 lakh population or 16 lakh population Goa has nothing but 3,000 deaths more of COVID. And all these COVID deaths, you know what has happened? We don't even know whether they are really 3,000. The state coffers are nothing but empty. See the state of affairs. We have to pay 100 rupees for a petrol. When it was 70 and 60 rupees, the BJP was shouting at rooftops. Where is the income? Nothing. There is no vision for the state. Only revision of ODPs. That too. Income to generate income for the chairmen and for all those congressmen who they took over on the other side. Nothing they are doing for the state. And I am coming to the point now. I have said, after giving a summary, I have said that it is a coffin, it is the last nail in the coffin of Goans. It is so, and it is demonstrated by the fact that it is a positive act to finish Goans. To finish them of their land, soil and their home. Now let us come to Bhumiputra Act. The Bhumi is a Sanskrit word, I believe, land, and Putra is a son. The dictionary meaning of a Bhumiputra is nothing but son of the soil. I said in the beginning that the Bhumiputra is nothing but a positive act to finish Goans. See the definition of the Bhumiputra in the section 2 of the act. It is a son of the soil. Section 2, it is not even a son of the soil, I am correcting. 2A defines who is a Bhumiputra in terms of section 2A of the act. It is saying that a person residing 30 years in the state of Goa, which can make an application under section 5 and having an occupation or of a dwelling unit, includes his or her spouse, daughter-in-law, unmarried daughter. It is not even a person born in Goa. The frame of the act, nothing but to make non-Goans Goans in the sign of the make Goans non-Goans sons of the soil. Is it fair? Are we justified by doing this? What one wonders is the intentions of the state. Is it to outnumber Goans? Displace them of their dwelling houses? Was this act necessary? Was it an agrarian reforms? The government cannot justify by the mere fact that there is an agricultural tenancy act. There is a conferred ownership rights on the tenants. Munkar Act is in place. Everything is in place as far as the issue is concerned. Now, I want to like to tell you that this bill has to be scrapped. This bill has to be totally done away with. Adam Kongan Machine I just want to say a few words in Konkan. Act Tashrana Loka Dishabul Kono Sotai. It Mono, Munkar Act, Tenancy Act, A Lokank helps Zatomon. Our Goinkaramon Uleta, our Jana, our Zaja Madit, but Makam Badkarmo. But our Badkar Zain Ulelohan, Panachiri, Tenancy Act Ulelohan. Jana Kon Ulenale Assembly. He or act to me Kotan Dana Kaimon, Tenancy Act to tenants and destroy agriculture, Tenancy Act destroy Konosotaimon. Parikaran then amendment Altena, Auleta. आज हम खास करून एक और एक गोयंकार मोलेता टेनेंसी एक्ट तक इज वेरी क्लियर नाउ दिस भूमिपुत्र एक्ट पढ़ा तो इट इज फॉर इट इज एक्झॅक्टली फॉर हाउसेस जे घोरा हा तेका लँड हा वो टेनेंसी एक्ट रायट कोताय तेंक कांय हे जायना इफेक्ट जायना दे आर ट्राइंग टू से ते लोकांक दाखोवपाक सोदताय की मुणकारांक जी कोणा रजिस्टर्ड आहाय तेंक पासून फायदो तो म्हण ना दे आर गवर्न क्लियरली बाय एक्ट जे STs आहाय तेंकाय दे आर गवर्न बाय द शेड्यूल ट्रायब्स एक्ट सगळ्या पावर्स आहाय विदीन आनी एक गोष्ट which I forgot to mention. Land Acquisition Act is very clear. They have even subvented the Acquisition Act. Acquisition Act कित म्हणटा? Acquisition Act clear सांगता कित सांगता की लँड एक्वायर करता जाल्यार ओनराक NOC घेवपा जाय आनी लँड एक्वायर करता जाल्यार 3 पाटी मार्केट रेट फारीक करपा जाय म्हण तें देखून तेणें इनकॉर्पोरेट केलें ना म्हणजे जे काँग्रेस गव्हर्मेंट हाडलेलो लँड एक्विजिशन एक्ट तो पासून तेणी सायडी उडोवपाक ट्राय केला ह्या एक्टाक म्हणजे तेणी इतू फायदो करपाक भूमिपुत्रास जे 30 वर्सां लोक आहाय ते येवपाक आमी कोणाची कोंत रेस्पॉन्ड दी बट आमगे स्टेट आहा आम प्रोटेक्ट करपाक आमगे सारकी उंच निश्चा इच्छा जावपा जाय आनी डिस्ट्रॉय करपाक न्ही आनी आमगे निश्चित करपाक गोंय जावपा जायना आनी लास्ट हें उलयता आसतना हांव मागोता की बीजेपीक आनी बीजेपी सपोर्टरांक ते लोकांक मिसगायड करूं नाका सगळें क्लियर आहा टेनन्सी एक्ट मुणकार एक्ट सगळें क्लियर आहा हो फकत कोणा हेल्प करपाक जे मनीस कोण गोंयकार नाय ते गोंयकार करपाक हें ट्राय करूं नाकाय आमगे गोंय आमकां सांबाळपाक जे आमगे एन्सेस्टरान जे आमगे आदल्यान गोंय दवरलो आहा तें सांबाळपाचें आमगे काम जावपा जाय तेका लागून आमी डिमांड करताय की हें बील टोटली स्क्रॅप जावपा जाय आनी मागता सगळ्या लोकांक कोल मुवमेंट जालो आनी मुवमेंट जाले जायत जाणांनी 2-3 ग्रूप केले सदांच हितू इन्सेप्शन आसा 2-3 ग्रूप जाताय आनी एजिटेशन डिस्ट्रॉय जाता खंयचें एजिटेशन कोंकणी एजिटेशन आज लास्ट कोल एजिटेशन 2 ग्रूप जाताय डिस्ट्रॉय जाताय मुगे मागणे लोकांक हात जोड मागोता सगळे लोक एकठांय जाय फर्स्ट टायम गोंयकार सगळे एकठांय जाय तुमगे डिफरन्सीस सायडी करूं सदां डिफरन्सीस जायन झगोण लोकांनी आज एसो गव्हर्मेंट आमकां फाव जाला आज एसो मनीस एसो लिडरशीप आमकां फाव जाल्या सगळे एक जावया आमगे डिफरन्सीस सायडी दवरया हांव रेडी आहा फर्स्ट स्टेप हांव घेता खूंय यो म्हण थिंग येता कोण म्हाका कितें म्हणल्या पासून हांव उब जाता गोंय सांबाळपाचें काम आमी करपाचें कित्याक आमी जर तर सगळे एक जाले हितू तें जायनासतना आमकां ही लिडरशीप मेळ्ळ्या एक जायन पूण आमी पॉझिटीव रावया एक बरें लिडरशीप गोंया मेळपाक ही गोंया लिडरशीप मेळपाक जर तर जाय जाल्यार आमी सगळ्यांनी एक जावपा जाय सेपरेट ग्रुप जावपा जायना कोल इश्यू जालो तो पयलीं जालो तो ओगडी दुसरे तेच फाटल्यान इलेक्शन जालें बीजेपी जिखले आनी बीजेपी गव्हर्मेंट कितें म्हणटा तुमगे कितें तुमगे एजिटेशन तुमी कितें करया आमी थिकताय म्हणटा ते हे पाटी आमी दाखोवया नाक त्या मनशाक हो इश्यू गोंयकारांचो हो इश्यू बीजेपी काँग्रेस न्ही हो गोंयकारांनी इश्यू आज आमी येतले वयतले बीजेपी येतली वयतली आमगे फुडार कितें हें आमी प्रोटेक्ट करपा जाय हें प्रोटेक्ट करपाक आमगे काम जावपा जाय तेका लागोन परतून हात जोड मागोता सगळे एक जाय डिफरन्सीस सायडी दरे एक ग्रूप कोण नाका कोण हो अल्टिमेटम दिनाका तो अल्टिमेटम दिनाका ना सगळे युनायट जाय आय कॉल अपॉन एवरीबडी टू युनाइट Let us forget all our differences, all the differences that have been created for so long, so many years, and the fallout has been we have got a government which we are not in our interest. Let us join together, forget our differences. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but certainly I'm not going to say we are going to have a government which will be, totally for the interest of one, but at least we'll have better than what these fellows are. But we will strive by the unity to make a beautiful government and which will look after the interests of Goans and Goinkar and protect our interests and protects our state. No politics as far as Goinkar and all these things and Goinkar point is concerned. Nothing. It is pure because of my heart for Goa that I have spoken my mind out, and I will always continue speaking my mind out. I made it very clear that it is Bhumiputras are 30 years. People they have defined Bhumiputras as people who have completed 30 years stay in Goa. So now what you want by saying that word, that is yours. I have got no comments over those words.
तुझे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी कितली डार्क स्पॉट आहा तुझे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी भितर कितली डार्क स्पॉट आहा म्हणजे अशें कोणे कॅप्चर केल्ले जावन
मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन डार्क स्पॉट्स कांय नाय मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन प्रायवेट लँड विकलो आहा कुमदान लँड कोणें ओवरटेक केलो ना मोकडे भूमिपुत्र चड नाय कित्याक आमगे लँड प्रायवेट लोकांनी विकली काय ना त्या भूमिपुत्रांनी क्वेश्चन येना आनी टेनन्सी एक्ट पासून आमगे टेनन्सी एक्टाचे पासून आम कोण लागना आमगे टेनन्सी एक्ट मुणकार ऑलरेडी फायनलायज जालो आहाय थोडेशे बुडविल्ले आसा 0.1% or 0.2% उरला बट सगळें क्लियर आहा आमकां कांय म्हाका जाल्यार मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन कांय हें जायना इफेक्ट जायना बट आमगे गोंय सांबाळपा जाय फॉरगेट अबाउट द इफेक्ट कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी जावपा जायना स्टेट जावपा जाय आमगे गोंयकार कोण सांबाळटा जाल्यार
What is the conspiracy of BJP? They want to dilute the Goans and.
They want to change the demography of the state of Goa. That has been their plan for the last so many years,
Why?
and it is proved by the facts of the case.
So why? How they are
I
benefiting?
don't know that you'll have to ask.
No, how they are benefiting?
They are benefiting because you see who was winning before. For them to win, that is the master plan. Their ultimate is only to win and stay in power, nothing else. They don't care for anything. They have compromised the interests of the state. They have compromised the interest of a Goinkar. A person who compromises the interest of the state to stay in power is a power-hungry and a person with no integrity.
Do you have any suggestion that minority MLAs of BJP to the minority MLAs of BJP? Do you have any such suggestion?
Nothing. It is for them to decide. They have got children, and it is for them to decide the future of their children and the future of the interest of Goans in the soil of ours.
लास्ट सांगले एक जाय
Yes.
एज्युकेशन करता कोणा अंडर एक जावपाचें कॅप्टन कोण
See, captain जायते captain without captain एक
कॅप्टन
Goinkar
टिमी कितल्यो आहे
Goinkar is the captain.
कोणा
The
अंडर
fellow
जावपाचें?
captain माहिती आहे जातो
कॅप्टन तयार जाता कितें टिमी कितल्यो जाताय बरें
Regional election, who are the captain over there? It's a captain who will lead a social movement or will lead a political movement.
It will leave, see, from the social movement, ना एक movement जावपा जाय गोंयकार पण हांव social political कांय उलयना. Finally it will boil down to politics. But interest कितें? तूं कितें मोड तें मोड. गोंयांत बरी leadership
You
जाय.
are not coming here.
कोण दितलो लिडरशीप
That is the leader. You see, you are not today, you are a part of a party. You are part of a party. You are talking about someone making an appeal for the people to come together to fight and protect the interests of good. What is, don't you think it will come in conflict with a party which is already, or you want to float another movement?
I am not floating any movement. I make it very clear. I am not floating any movement. I want to save my state of Goa. I am not speaking as a politician. I am making it as a movement.
Movement.
तें पॉलिटिक्स मागीर जातलें. पॉलिटिक्सा इंटरेस्टान मुवमेंट करप ना. हे पॉलिटिक्सा इंटरेस्टान मुवमेंट केलें म्हूण हे फेल जालें. नाजाल्यार फेल जावपा न्ही. आय एम गोईंग वन स्टेप अहेड. पॉलिटिक्स नासलो करया. हांव तुका सांगता आनी गोश्ट सांगता तुका कित्याक इंटेग्रिटीची उलयता आसतना कजिनो आहा जयदेव मोदी आहा तेका सांग तेका विचार मुझे सब हांव पॉलिटिशियन मोको घेवपा तेज्यान म्हाका घेवपा जाय जाल्यार विचार आज पासून तो FC गोवा घेत म्हाका घेवपा जायना आमगे इंटेग्रिटी तितू आहा आनी हांव उलयता आसतना तुका हांव सांगता क्लियर आय एम टेलिंग यू इंटेग्रिटी आमगे हितू आहा मुवमेंट करता आसतना नॉन पॉलिटिकल जाल्यार नॉन पॉलिटिकल करया मुगे चॅलेंज हांव आहा
पार्टी हायकमांडाक सांगतो पार्टी हायकमांडाक सांगत आसता की आमकां एक लिडरशीप दी म्हणून
Party high
No